How to fix queued email not sending in Gmail. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn how we can fix if our queued email is not sending in Gmail. But before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you've been trying to send an email from the Gmail application, but it simply says that the email has been queued for any sort of reasons. There are a couple of ways on why this could be happening and a few ways to fix it. First of all, make sure it's not an internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch your cellular data or vice versa. Once you've done that, also go ahead and then open up your Play Store or App Store. If you're using from mobile, ensure that the Gmail app is updated to the latest version. So if you see an update button there, make sure to update it. Now sometimes what happens is that you can try to manually send it from the Outbox folder, because when an email has failed to send, it will automatically save itself in Outbox folder. Tap on the three lines menu icon from the top left of the screen. Over here, you can go to Outbox and see some of the mails that were sent in Outbox. Now sometimes what happens is, this is just a natural process. When it gets sent in Outbox, do not try to resend the email again and again. After a couple of while, that message or the email from Outbox will get sent automatically. This actually happened to me once. It got sent in Outbox, but after a couple of minutes or hours, when I checked my Outbox, it was not there, and instead, when I went to the sent folder, my message or the mail had already been sent. So I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.